Hello everybody and welcome to my Boathouse tutorial. But first let me give you a quick demonstration of how this one works. Jump in your boat, containment system's gone, and you're free to go across the ocean. In this case there's no ocean. You come back and the soul sand prevents it from being as easily broken, and you jump out on dry land right here. So let me go get my supplies and I'll meet you at the build site that I am going to be building. Okay, and we're back. Let's get started here. So you want to start out by making this shape right here. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to leave this side not enclosed. This is where all the water is going to be filling up the area. So this is just a placeholder, the sand right here. So from starting right here, you're going to go 4 high, including the bottom one right here. You're going to fill it all the way around. So 4 high, so 1, 2. From here we can put a roof on. Go ahead and start that. So you can use any block that you want. Doesn't have to necessarily be oak. I just kind of like the look of it for my particular design. And you want it to go all the way along the edge here. Oh, disappeared twice on me. And again, guess I'm too close to it. All the way around. What I like to do is I kind of build this out a little bit further. So let's go out about like that. We'll do the same thing to the other side. 1, 3. I got a little more room to work with here. Ooh. Nighttime. Let me sleep real quick and we'll continue on. Don't need to have a zombie come in and knock me around. And I like to extend the roof out about to there. And go to the other side. Shoot. Actually, I ought to have slabs. Should have been prepared for that. Fill all this in. Okay, so now we got the inside looking like this. So this extends past what we originally started by 3 blocks. So inside here we want to put in our soul sand. It's kind of our bumper for our boat. And we want to put in right here, just 1 block down from the roof, tripwire. And I put half slabs right back here. To me it kind of looks like a shelf, but it inhibits you from when you jump out of the boat landing on that side. And we'll go ahead and grab our string and put that across. Every time you jump out of the boat, you'll activate that. Now back to the top here. I like to put a little railing going around here, though you could make this into a house on the top if you so desire. I kind of like the open look, but I put this up here as protection, so when you come back from your trip, you can have all this fence right up here. Later on we'll put an access up top, but I use the stairwell to hide the redstone, so we'll do that when we get to the redstone part, but it should be right about here. And I put that there. Nope. That's not how I did it. I put it here and here. And then I built that up. So you can do what you want with this. It's really just, for me, it's decoration. Just makes it look a little better. And leave a little opening right here because this is where we'll be getting out. So I'll be right back with the redstone part. Okay, everybody. So the first thing I ended up doing was I put this little barrier right out here. And where the sand was, I dug down. Let's do 1, 2, 3 down. 1 towards the water. And then I dug 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 directly underneath the structure. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wide. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is we got to find out where to bring the redstone down. So we look to find our tripwire here. It's 1 block in, right here on this side. So we want to grab a block, put it right there. Be directly underneath it, so the tripwire is right on the other side of this block. I'm going to put this redstone there, followed by a redstone torch. And we're going to go 1, 2 down, break that, redstone dust on top, and put a torch right there. And then a block right here. This is to carry the signal down. So when that tripwire is triggered, that torch is going to turn off, which is going to turn this torch on, which is going to turn this redstone on, and that'll be the beginning of our redstone down here. Okay, so where we got rid of the sand and dug the hole down there, I'm going to need to put in some blocks here for our pistons to rest on. Go ahead and grab your sticky pistons. Place them all along here. And then head back down to here. So on the back end of these, we want to put another 2 rows of blocks. Grab your repeaters. Put them like so. And redstone dust behind them. Okay, the next part we're going to do, I'll grab this back again, is right, let's see, right here. No, let's go back one. Put it right here. Okay, we're going to put a repeater here, and we're going to put a comparator right here. Now what I'm building is, it's Mumbo Jumbo's T flip-flop. I like the design of it. I used to use the old piston setup, but I come to like this setup. Cat's making noises at me. Okay, so first one we want to do here is we want one going like this towards us, one going up, and then dig down 1 hole here. Let's see if I can get this right. You want to put a block above you here, and then just aim and click it like that, and it'll aim down towards that part here. And then you want to grab your hopper and put it right into this one right here. If you hold down shift and then click it, it'll go into place. I want to put a block there, and then we want to carry on our signal. It's got to be pointed into this block right here, and in this block we want to put just one of any block. I'll go back up to the top to test it. Okay, and one more time. This should come up again. This one should come down. And then just go ahead and put your wood blocks right in there. So now you got your little containment system. Okay, before we start on the stairwell, I do want to touch on a couple places. The redstone comes down here to the droppers, You gotta be careful how you place your blocks. You can place one above there, but you can't place a solid block here because it would cut this wire. So you can throw in a half slab and then just continue up and around here. Up there. Wood. Go around like this and then half slab right there. Okay. Now I was a little off right up here. You need to come in 1, 2, and the third one is where the opening will be. So what you want to do is you want to fill up all this area right in here. Right up top here, I'm going to put in a stair and put a half slab right in there. Okay, let's see. And a block here, here, there, block there, one there, one right here, and I'll probably put one there. And this will eventually go to my road, but I need to redo that. Got my fence. Build this up. Around it, like so. Yeah, and I think we will aim it around this way. So there you go. Now you can get up to the top. You can put a gate here if you so desire. And there's one other thing I want to touch on, and I put right here. We'll grab a dispenser. I like to have a place to put in spare boats. Let's grab some buttons too. Just in case the boat breaks for whatever reason. So break this block out. Then aim it towards you so it comes in right there. Place your button here. And then I like to place a button here. This one here will reset the whole machine. Like so. And then if you put your boat in the dispenser, come over here and press the button, your boat comes out. And hopefully this one does not break. You go out here like this. And then you test to make sure it works properly. And you jump out. And for some reason it's kind of hit and miss whether you land on here. But I tried. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.